in order to connect the ESP, you first should get an ESP, write down all the pins, GPIO 0, GPIO 2, ground, VCC, reset, channel power down, TX and RX. And the connection is as follows. Channel power down, logical high, connect the GPIO 0 to ground, leave GPIO 2 and reset floating, not connected. I experienced that GPIO 2 has to be floating in order to work. Check it out. If it doesn't work for you when you connect it to high or low while flashing, just leave it floating. However, you can use it for LEDs and stuff like that, but for the flashing, leave it unconnected. You also need this one. This is a serial programmer. Connect the TX to the RX and the RX to the TX. Like that. And vice versa. So next thing, plug in the serial adapter, go to the Arduino IDE and check which serial port is detected. So the thing is, power supply actually is an issue. So take the Arduino, use that 3.3 volts, connect it here, connect those two grounds together so that you have the same logical level there. Then connect GPIO 0 to ground. Download the ESP tool from the GitHub. Put the firmware in the same folder. Then from a command line, you can just flash it using this command. And of course, this is now not working because I did it already. So I will just skip forward to the point when it's working. Close the Arduino serial monitor if you have opened it. And if it's still not working, just disconnect the power from the ESP8266 module, plug it in again with the GPIO 0 connected to the ground, and then it's working. You can already open the serial monitor. And when it's done, it will say ready. Then what you do is just type AT. And when it says AT OK, you're good. Done. Far more interesting part, using the Arduino IDE for flashing. You first have to install the board support for the ESP8266 module. You will find this by Googling. After that, just go board and select down here generic ESP8266 module. Then you select the port, debug disable, none, that means none in German here. Everything is just fine, flash it. And if it's not working, just disconnect the power, plug it in again, reselect the port, upload. Now it's working. Connect the power again, change GPIO 0 from ground to floating, connect it again. Like this, you're getting from flash mode to operating mode. Then you will have to reselect the port, open serial monitor, and now you can see that something happens here. In this case, the program is supposed to do stuff like that, and it's working. Great! You are now able to use the ESP module.